Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to introduce you to 1815 West Escondido Street in Kuna. Beautiful single level home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,400 square feet, with a big bonus room and a nice sized garage, private backyard, mature neighborhood, great location. Straight ahead, you see a little park area, and that's where Indian Creek is, which you'll see pictures of the MLS of. There's a little park there and one right around the corner to the left. So, notice the beautiful mature trees outside. A little bit of extra space over here to the side of the garage, and great shrubs over here. I don't know if those are considered shrubs or trees. They're pretty big. Newer exterior paint, newer roof, good condition. And we've got the kind of security screen door up here at the front. This has a great floor plan, vaulted ceilings, nice size family room here. 2 nice big windows right at the front. Ceiling fan goes into your dining space and your kitchen area. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinets. Refrigerator is included. Pantry area. Stainless steel appliances. GE. Look at the fridge here. Great condition. And again, just lots of cabinets in this. Really nice. I love it when they put a window right over the sink. It's really nice to sit there and be able to look out at the backyard. And we'll get to that in a minute. But so this has the split floor plan with the primary owner's bedroom over here and the bonus room. And on the other side of the house, you have 2 bedrooms. So we'll start over here first. So 1 owner home. So here's bedroom number 1, closet area. Conveniently located bathroom right here with the window as well. And little closet here, linen closet. Great use of space. And bedroom 2. Nice deep window well here. 2.5-inch faux blinds. The next closet has a little bit of a wall treatment on here. And we'll head over to the other side of the house. We'll take you to the bonus room first. This is a huge bonus room. Really nice size with the fireplace. Lots of can lighting. Oh, I didn't even turn those on. There you go. Nice and bright. You can bring your paint brushes. Paint this whatever color you'd like. Same with the flooring. And the primary bedroom here. Nice big window. Nice smooth ceilings. Big closet over here. Nice walk-in with lots of storage shelves built in. And it wraps around over here to this side as well. Pretty cool. Ceiling fan in here as well. And you've got a little deck right outside of this bedroom as well, so provide a little extra shade in this room. And then the primary's bathroom. Shower tub combo. Now let's go outside. Actually, before we go outside, let's show you the laundry area here. So you got another storage coat closet here. And a spot for your washer and dryer. I'll take you out to the garage. So as you can see, it's really wide. A little deeper than the newer homes. Plenty of room for a full-size truck in here. Newer HVAC unit. I don't know the exact date on it. I'll have to do some homework on that. And I believe this also has a humidifier on it, which is pretty cool. And your tank for your water heater. It has the man door coming off here to the side of the house. And the fearsome tiger. You have some built-in storage racks, an insulated garage door, and solar tubes, which is pretty cool. Got some natural light in here. Okay, now we'll head out to the yards. Okay, we're gonna head outside now. You have the nice big private backyard with a single level directly behind you and to the right. You have this nice covered patio area. It's not attached to the house. It's kind of a trellis roof on this. Full rain gutters across the back of the house. Some ivy growing here. We have very low cost irrigation water here in Kuna. So probably cost you about 30 to 50 bucks annually. And over there we have a couple garden boxes. And the storage shed, which I'll show you in a minute. Again, you see the nice paint all the way around the house. Another solar tube over here, it looks like, on this side of the house that I might not have pointed out when I was there. Gate on this side of the home. And notice all the vented eaves up here as well, and they extend out pretty far, which is nice. You've got drip lines going out here in the garden, which is good. And some additional power. Lots of spigots, so they've got this one set up here as well as the one attached to the house. That's good sometimes because oftentimes they turn off the water at this time of year, which is into September, early October, and then you might have another hot week or two. So you can run city water out to your yards or whatever. There's another one here. Here's a good look at the shed. Very convenient place to put all your gardening stuff. And another gate on this side of the house. And you notice the full sprinkler system back here. Rain gutters all the way around the house. Direct TV dish, and fully fenced. Another outlet right here, very convenient. If it were me, I'd probably put some nice night lights out here on this back covered patio area. The deck. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you have any additional questions, ask your realtor. If you're not working with anybody, feel free to give me a call. Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000. Thank you.